Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy healthy egg paratha recipe which is not only filling but I also made it nutrient dense. This paratha is an ideal filling meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make egg paratha, first I'm making a quick onion pickle. So I have sliced a half of an onion into a plate, and into that I'm adding in half teaspoon apple cider vinegar. When you're using apple cider vinegar, make sure you're using the vinegar which has the mother. Apple cider vinegar has some gut friendly healthy probiotic bacteria. Into this I'm adding in 1 fat pinch of pink Himalayan salt, and then I'm mixing it with my hand. And now this has become a quick onion pickle, which is a good source of healthy gut friendly probiotic. I'm going to keep it aside and will be using to serve along with the egg paratha. I have already kneaded whole wheat flour with water and pink Himalayan salt. So I'm pinching off some dough from this. So this is slightly large dough than normal roti because I'm making paratha. I'm using slightly larger dough. Sprinkle some whole wheat flour on the work surface and just slightly knead the dough a couple of times. And keep this aside. For the egg filling, I have already added half of an onion and half of a green chili into a small katori. With the other half, I made this quick onion pickle. Into this, I'm adding in 1 whole egg. I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. It's ideal to use black pepper whenever you're using turmeric, as black pepper will help to absorb the active ingredient in turmeric known as curcumin faster into your body. I'm going to mix this really well, and then I'm adding in some coriander leaves and keep this aside. So this is the egg filling for the paratha. Now this is a single serving paratha, hence I'm using slightly larger dough. 1 egg paratha is enough for a meal. Roll out the dough. Once rolled out, drizzle 1 teaspoon desi ghee and spread the desi ghee all over the rolled out roti. Sprinkle some whole wheat flour on top. Then fold the roti into half teaspoon desi ghee on top, some whole wheat flour, and fold the other half over it. Desi ghee on top, some whole wheat flour, and again fold into half. Little desi ghee on top, some whole wheat flour, and fold the other half over it. So you get a square dough with folds like this. These folds will help to give layers to the paratha. Sprinkle some whole wheat flour on both sides and roll out the roti. This is one really filling egg paratha, just like how they make in dabas, but in a much healthier way since we are using desi ghee and whole wheat flour. The desi ghee I'm using is 8-2 Gir cow desi ghee. Place the rolled out roti onto the hot tawa. Drizzle a little bit of desi ghee on top and on the sides as well. Flip it over. You can just insert the spatula and open up the layer, and I'm just making a small tear to open it up, and I'm adding in the egg mix into this. Lightly spread the mix. Cover. Drizzle some desi ghee. Press it down like this. Carefully flip it over. So you need to be quick when you flip it over. Drizzle some more desi ghee on top. Press down. This way the egg will be nicely cooked. So let it cook on low flame. Flip it over and let that side cook as well. Flip it over again. Flip it over. If you prefer, you can divide the egg mixture into half and make 2 small egg parathas. And the egg paratha is ready to serve. Serve it with the instant onion pickle and some amla pickle. Amla pickle, a good source of vitamin C, hence it will help to boost our immunity. Try to include amla in your diet, especially during this testing time. And my healthy and nutrient-rich egg paratha is ready to serve. Both these are rich in gut-friendly probiotics. I have already shared amla pickle recipe. Please do check it out. Also remember that pickles, when made in the traditional way, is a good source of healthy gut-friendly probiotics. So guys, do try this egg paratha and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.